Hello? Keisha? Keisha? Is your Auntie Puny? You're not at home? You gone to the Independence Gala at the National Stadium? Oh, I didn't even know that those things were still going on. You will call me when you get home? All right then, Keisha, all right. I am waiting on the call. Hold on, Keisha, hold on. So, Keisha, you never get the barrel with the things. And you never bother to call to tell your auntie thanks for the things that you get in the barrel. All right, I will wait until you reach home. Remember to call me as soon as your foot step inside the house, you call me. Anytime you call me. All right. Auntie Puny? Oh, I reach home now, Auntie. Yes, Auntie. Auntie. Auntie, it's not like me didn't want to call you to tell you thanks for the things them, Auntie. Auntie, make me take off the glasses because me want you see me face. Auntie, me no want nobody to hear, so me never want to say anything on the road. But Auntie, I don't want to believe that I am not grateful for the things that you send, Auntie. I am very grateful for the 3 barrel that you send, Auntie, and the big box. But Auntie, me no know from when you have them things there, Auntie. Auntie, me don't know from when you have them. Because, Auntie, some of the things them look expired, Auntie. Auntie, some expired. And Auntie, let me, Auntie, all the split peas now, Auntie. Is not everybody understand how to cook split peas, Auntie? It's Jamaica we come from, Auntie. We used to cow peas, red peas, gungo. Auntie, we don't used to black bean and all those things and split peas, Auntie. Auntie, and lentil. Auntie? From we born, some we never see lentil yet, Auntie. We see red peas, cow peas. Auntie, since me get big, me know all Jerusalem peas, Auntie. Cause when me a little picnic at 2, 3, 4, me don't know them peas there, Auntie. Auntie, me no want you think me no grateful, Auntie. Auntie, the only thing palatable right now, Auntie, is the red peas. Auntie, Auntie, this one is chili bean, Auntie. Auntie, some of us never know what chili bean is. Eh? Auntie, if we don't come from uptown, we don't know those things, Auntie. Auntie, no make no sense. You better send those things come here. And then when me talk now, Auntie, you say me not grateful at the things where you strain for send come here and pay how much money for send the things them. Auntie, next time you send the money, yeah, man, and nobody send the things them. Auntie, nobody send nothing, yeah. Auntie, all this them say mackerel in brine. Auntie, we used to the red mackerel, yeah, Auntie. Auntie, hold on, they make me show you the one where we used to. Auntie, this a mackerel we used to, Auntie. This type of mackerel, Auntie. Auntie, if I know this are the bigger one, me no eat it. As much as me broke and papa rising, Auntie. Auntie, what me I go do with this one here we say mackerel in a brine, Auntie? Eh? Look like a sardine. Auntie, me not like it, yeah, man. Nobody send them the something they can't give me, yeah, man. Auntie, look all upon the cornflakes. It looked like it was having a hard time. Look how the back steer up and steer. Auntie, look how it steer. Eh? Auntie, that don't look good, man. Don't look good at all, Auntie. Auntie, nobody waste your time to send anything more. Come here, you hear? Everything that's selling foreign, selling Jamaica. Don't bother waste your time, Auntie. But thanks anyway, Auntie. Thanks anyway. Auntie, let me tell you something, you see, Auntie. Auntie, I'm telling you that Jamaica starting to look like foreign. Hmm? Auntie, we have some crisp bus, Auntie. Some big, nice yellow bus. You know, those one that carry the children them in the United States, Auntie. I saw them look, Auntie. Yes, we get a few of them. The government bring in some of them, Auntie. Well, Auntie, there is a mixed reaction with the buses, Auntie. But, Auntie, we Jamaican people cannot please, Auntie. It doesn't matter what we get, Auntie. We are not a people that is thankful. Auntie, anything we get, we would have criticize it, we would have find fault. Worse is if it's not our government bringing it in. Yes, Auntie. Yes, Auntie. Auntie, if I know for we party bring it in, Auntie, we are go cuss, Yes, and so we stay. Auntie, we love politics, but Yes. Worse when the election are draw near, Auntie. Nothing make we irritable and ignorant and turn bad. Yes, Auntie. Mm-hmm. So, Auntie, how were you vote for when you did the Jamaican vote? Me no fi ask you that. Then, Auntie, yes, auntie remember saying no, sometime away your family ban council in a power and a vote for auntie, and so we follow it up, we don't have no mind of we own. So auntie just make me know away in a vote for, so me can vote for the same thing too. Mhm. Me if I vote for what me want vote for. Me not have to vote for where you vote for. No, auntie, man. And auntie, auntie, you never hear about the dieted people, them auntie? Yes, so no matter if a good or a bad, from them say that or that, them a vote for. Alright, I hope to vote this year, though, auntie. I hope to vote this year. Yes. Mm-hmm. Yes, auntie. Because the race is on and the race looks stiff, auntie. So, and every vote counts. I am going out to vote. Yes, auntie, I am going out. Mhm. All right, auntie. Yes, auntie. and and back to the things, them, auntie. I am thanking you for them, auntie. Later. All right, auntie. All right, now, auntie. Auntie, me just step in at the house, Me not even cool off and breeze off yet. Mm. All right, auntie, and the time hot, bad man. So, all right, all right, all right.